Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device, or the sound. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the sound. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got the ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the notification ringtone. So simply tap on it, and as you can see we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all available, all defaultly installed notification ringtones from which you can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option custom ringtone, and it simply means that after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any downloaded, for example, and if they will be compatible, then you will be able to find them here and set them as a ringtone. What's more, under it we've got the option none, and it simply means that your device will not use the sound feedback to notify you about the notification. Of course you will still be able to see it, but you will not hear it. So if you want to set the ringtone, all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to listen it firstly. So just tap on it and check all of them, and if you're happy with your choice, so for example if you'd like to set the spring, just make sure that the ringtone you'd like to use is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the notification. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.